I pozdrav svima ljudi, dobrodošli u novi klip, ja sam Joxy Games HQ i danas ćemo igrati Boom Beach. To će biti novi serijal i to ću također pokušati da snimam, pošto je ista kompanija koja pravi Clash of Clans. I tu će isto biti dosta epizoda. Pa sad ćemo vidjeti kakva je. This will be your base. Bla bla bla, nije bitno. We can't let the enemy surprise us. Let's build a sniper tower. We need eyes on the horizon at all times. Dobro, treba da sagradimo ovaj sniper tower. To je slično nešto Archer Tower. Dvije medalje. We look out reports enemy ships approaching. I am Lieutenant Hammerman of the Blackguard. These islands belong to us now. We'll crush your bunny base. Let's hope your spinner can hold off the attack. Watch the fight. Dolazi neki brod. Dobro, puca ovo. I odbranili smo se. So you beat back my scouts. Next time I won't make it a fair fight. Our spinners won the day. Give that man a medal. We need to take the initiative and free our neighboring islands. Let's get the strike force ready. A single rifleman to a landing craft. Izgleda treba napravimo neku vojsku. Sad ćemo vidimo. Riflemane. To ćemo da skipujemo. Dobro. We need another landing craft for a strong enough strike force. Dobro. Idemo dalje što treba. Treba nam još jedan ovaj. Let's load up this craft with more riflemen. Pravimo još toga. Riflemen ready. Let's take the fight to the enemy. Evo enemy, ta neprijateljska baza. Pa nalik je Clash of Clansu. Sad ćemo, koliko sam razumio, napasti neprijateljsku bazu. Select artillery. Evo na ovo. Tap on the shore to deploy troops. Nastavimo ovdje. Thank you for driving away the invaders. We will return the favor. Victory! Dobro. Return. Great job! We destroyed the enemy base and saved the local islanders. Let's go back to home base. Dobro, pobedili smo neprijatelji, sad se vraćamo nazad. Commander, we need to build up this base and enters your strait. The Vanguard are evil. We'll fight them on the beaches and never surrender. To će za sada biti sve. Hvala što ste gledali moj klip, like, sub, share i